One more question. The distance x of a particle moving in one dimension under the action of a constant force is related by the equation t is equal to root of x plus 3, where x is in meter and t is in seconds. Find the displacement of the particle where its velocity is 0. Here t is equal to root x plus 3, but for the calculations you are required the displacement. So rearrange this after squaring and get the value of x on left hand side. So this is the position now. Solve this, you have this equation. And what you have to find? You have to find the displacement of the particle when its velocity is 0. It means you have to find x. So first find the velocity. Formula for velocity is 2t minus 3. Its velocity is 0 given in the question. So put it 0. So t is equal to 6 by 2, that is 3 seconds. When time is 3 seconds, its velocity is 0. So find x. Put the value of t here in this equation, t equal to 3, and you will have the answer for the position. And the last question is, the acceleration of a particle in meter per second square is given by this formula, where time t is in seconds. If the particle starts with a velocity of 2 meter per second at t equal to 0, then find the velocity at the end of 2 seconds. The acceleration is given to you. You have v is equal to dx by dt, a is equal to dv by dt. If this is given and you have to calculate the velocity, what you will do, you will multiply it here. dv is equal to a into dt, and in this situation we have to integrate. When we are moving from position to velocity to acceleration, in that case we will differentiate. When we adopt the reverse process, acceleration to velocity to x, so we will adopt the integration process. So here acceleration is given, we have to find the displacement or velocity. So first of all, a is equal to dv by dt is given to you, 3t square plus 2t plus 2. Differentiate. First rearrange this. You will write it here. A into dt is equal to dv, that is 3t square plus 2t. This is the value of a and this is dt. So integrate both sides. When you will integrate, you will get v here. Here the integration is the reverse of differentiation. 3 raised to power by 1, t cube by 3 plus 2 is the constant, t square by 2 plus 2 into t plus a constant. So you will get the velocity like this, t cube plus t square plus 2t plus c. The limits are given to you. Time is equal to t equal to 0, and at that time velocity is 2. So put the value of t as 0 and put v equal to 2. So 2 equal to 0 plus 0 plus 0. So value of c comes out to be 2 meter per second. Now put the value of c in this equation again. You will have v is equal to t cube plus t square plus 2t plus 2 in place of c. And at t equal to 2 seconds, you have to find the velocity. Put the value of t here. Now the velocity is 18 meter per second. This is all about the questions of the velocity, acceleration and displacement. In the next lecture, we are going to derive the equations of motion, but by the integration method.